Watch out! The BMW Advanced Car Eye 3 Pro provides recordings from additional front and rear vehicle cameras. Professionally installed by your BMW dealer in your BMW. Let's go! Start your vehicle to turn on the display. Or push the power button on the front camera. Tap the home symbol on the touchscreen to enter the menu. Here you can adjust the camera image, recording settings, the display or sound volume. For more comfortable control, use the Advanced Car Eye 3 mobile app. Watch our other how-to video to learn all about it. While driving, your Advanced Car Eye Pro camera can record the traffic in your front and rear view continuously in a 1-minute time frame. By going to the recording settings and selecting G-sensor only, the cameras are only triggered by vehicle impacts. Such events are recorded from 10 seconds before to 50 seconds after it. Adjust the sensitivity of the integrated G-sensor to react to minor or heavier impacts. In parking mode, the Advanced Car Eye 3 Pro cameras can also be activated and record automatically. Again, this can be by physical impact from outside or when the camera's motion sensors detect movements close to the vehicle. Of course, both trigger sensitivities are adjustable as well. Want to be the director? Start recording by pressing the record button on the front camera, in the app, or by simply using your voice.
Hi camera, save video.
Your recordings are stored on the SD card in the front camera and can be viewed and archived on your smartphone or display. Take out the SD card to process the video files on another device. Continue watching our how-to series to get the most out of your BMW.